Good morning, students. I welcome you to my English class. Today I will teach you sound of vowel O. So now start. OX ox, FOX fox, BOX box, COB cob, COG cog, DOG dog, LOG log, POD pod, ROD rod, GOD god, POT pot, DOT dot, TOP top, COT cot, BOY boy, TOY toy. Again, ox, fox, box, cob, cog, dog, log, pod, rod, god, pot, dot, top, cot, boy, toy. Clear, student? Do reading practice daily. Bye, student.